Now we're going to talk about creating your daily agenda slides. So in my overview, I talked about why. I'll keep it brief here. Think of what you write on the board as becoming digital, like your start menu, whatever you would put there every day. So again, we are not creating new work. This is work you already do. We're just going to move it to a digital format. So rather than writing your start menu on the board or your agenda on the board, we are going to put that on a Google slide. Everybody knows how to do a PowerPoint or a Google slide, so that should be something we already know how to do. We are going to just simply do something like this. Now mine is super plain Jane. That's fine. It doesn't need to be fancy, and I've given you a copy of this one that I'll show you how to get to in just a moment. This can get super fancy if you want. If you've learned about Bitmoji classrooms and things like that and you want to use that here, that is also acceptable. So in order to create this, you can go to our faculty Google Classroom, and right here at the top, Google Slide Daily Agenda Template. You're a student in this class, and I have set this to make a copy for you. So if you open this, it's going to it's going to create a copy for you. So click on it and open it up. And it'll say like copy of and your name. So you'll need to change the name of it here to either your block number or the name of your class. You'll also need to change the name here to either your block number or the name of your class. Those should be the same. And then if you want, you can go ahead and put the first day of school in there, which would be September 8th. There's multiple in here just so I could demonstrate for you. You'll see that these are gray and this one is red because I have chosen red as my first block color. So whatever color you made your first block class in Google Classroom, make this slide that color also. Right click, no, not right click, sorry. Yeah, it is right click. Change background and choose your color right here and say done, and that will make your slide the right color, right? Remember I said to pick a color for each block? This is why. From here on out, you can copy this slide every day and make a new one. I can say I right clicked and say duplicate slide, and you'll see that I have a second one, which it is put down below. It shoved it down one, right? So I just take my top slide and I change this date to the next one, which would be the 12th, which I think is a Saturday, not really, but a school day, but you get the idea. So each day, rather than writing on the board, duplicate slide, you got a new one, and you change the date on your top slide, and you put your whatever work you need to put in here. And you can design this any way you want. Like I said, it doesn't have to look exactly like this. This one is just a plain old template. If we're in hybrid mode, you might want to make this like A and B agenda. You might want to put 3 columns. You might not want announcements at all. You might want to do a start menu if that makes you happy. Whatever you want to put on here, as long as it says the name of your class and today's date. Okay, and that will that will start to create a whole slide deck of your daily agendas. Once you have this created, take this one right here, right? Click on that little guy, drag him down here into your bookmarks bar. If you've already set up your Google Classrooms, you should have a block 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 4, whatever you have. Put your agendas here also. Drag it in, right click, edit, and change it to something really, really short so that you can get here quickly. I'm delete mine because I don't need multiple ones. You can get here quickly every single day. So we'll create that. Once you have this created, go back to your Google Drive, and you're going to need to duplicate it. So if yours doesn't pop up right here at the top, the one that you just created, you can search for it. So find one that you've created. I have lots because I've been teaching this for a while, but find yours, right click it, make a copy, and then do the same thing. You'll see I've got 3 in 3 different colors here for each of my classes, and you want to have the same. That's it for this one.